So this is how to fly your drone. So we already make a video on what the pre-checking, how to unfold your drone, prepare for flight. So now everything is turned on, and basically we have 12 satellites. So that's it. We can prepare the flight. Also make sure that the drone is in the P mode or the normal mode. When you say sports, vision, and also tripod mode for the Mavic Pro. So I'm checking the position mode. So currently I have um, 15 satellites which are ready, and the battery is 98%. So basically that's it. Let's arm the drone. So arming the drone, starting the motor. It just so order to arm the drone, just press this both. Wait guys, so arming the rotor, just those, not yet. So arming. So now the motors are up. Okay, so just lift this throttle. The throttle is the left side to lift the drone slowly. So that's lift. So the drone is already airborne. That's the basic. And this one is the yaw, other roll. So one roll, 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 roll. This one is the roll, while this is the forward and the backward. Since the drone detected me as an obstacle, it cannot go forward. Then it, up, up, then left, right. So basically you need to know the reverse. So since the drone is facing me, when the drone is facing away, facing out, you can check. Wait, just wait. I'll just position the camera. Okay, so that it will be easier. I lift the drone. So here are the controls. Going. Then if you want to turn the drone, this one, the left joystick will turn. If you are right, turn, turn. So that's basically how you fly a drone. So when you want to move forward, you just press this up, the right stick. The backward, out, down, left, right. So that the drone is facing out. Okay. So when flying a drone, you need some practice, sometimes, in order to master the controls. So for the beginners out there, I would recommend practice on a simulator drone before flying a real drone, because unlike this one, this have a obstacle avoidance, but for the mini drones doesn't have. So this is the drone series. So basically I'm flying out the drone right now, so I'll just starting the camera. Oops, careful. So I'm already adjusting the camera. So that's how I fly a drone. Forward and up. So now just returning home. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hopefully you will, I'll show you the video drone footage. So forward. Drone max speed is 50 kilometers per hour. Wow, that's great. Okay,